Hello! This is another cooking rodeo with a tater cowgirl. Eddie is in the movie theater today. And what are we cooking today? I had no idea until I met my ladies on Fat Tuesday. And one of my friends has Creole heritage. And so what can I cook for next weekend? You know, we just end up Carnival, which is big in Germany, and in New Orleans, where she's from, my Cajun friend. And oops, did I? No. And I love the recipe she told me, and I have leftover rice, which we need for that, and it's called a Cajun rice with greens. Yeah, and it's healthy. Right now it's Lent. You know, after Ash Wednesday. On Ash Wednesday we start Lent if you're Catholic. And I want to my Lent promises to not eat vegan junk food, to eat a little bit cleaner, whole plant-based. I have lost my weight, but I want to try to stay away from the junk food a while. So let's see how that works. This meal is just perfect for that. So we start right away. And I put you down because you want to see what I'm doing. So it's instapot today. So what we do is put a little bit of broth. We have 4 cups of vegan broth, vegetable broth here. Put a little bit on there. Put this on saute. Then it gets hot. Already pre-sauteed that. And we start with, you see the 3 cloves of garlic I have just cut. So we put those in. Oops. Rice and greens, yeah. Cajun rice and greens. That's the recipe. My friend's name is Fabienne. And thank you, Fabienne. She said it's not from her. She had it somewhere from the TV, but she doesn't know where. But so we can't really give the original source, but it's not from me. But you know, I want to cook it for you because it sounds really delicious. Okay, we have the 3 cloves of garlic in, and we have 1 chopped onion we put in. Let that a little get hot and sauteed. Get my wooden spoon. And today we are slow cooking, not the steam cooker. So we are slow cooking in the Instapot. Okay. And then we can put that in. This are 3 stalks of celery chopped. Oh, I wanted to show you the bouillon I use. I usually use that better than bouillon vegetable, you know, put a teaspoon in. Or no chicken broth, that's the same thing. Now we just let that sweat a little here. We have, I chopped 1 green pepper, 1 red pepper. I have about, oh God, 2 cups of brown rice, maybe 2.5 cups brown rice. I have half a cup of parsley. It's part of the greens. Take the greens you wish you want to take. You don't have to take all I do. I have a handful of baby spinach, which I leave just as it is. I don't chop it. And then I have Swiss Chard. It's on sale today at North Hill. And I show you again how I chop Swiss Chard. So first we get rid of the stems. With the stems you can cook vegetable broth, by the way, so you have to throw them away. And what we do is we fold it in the middle, the Swiss Chard. See that? This is red Swiss chard. Nice red Swiss chard. So we take that away. We fold this one. Might take even some more Swiss chard. You can up to 4 cups, I would say, of greens. You can get together all kinds of greens what you have. I love Swiss chard. It's a lot of vitamins, which is important in the winter time. But I don't want these big veins in my stew. Okay, see, this is coming hot nicely here. Alright. Now that it's hot, we put the peppers in. And we put in 1 teaspoon Tony Catchery. Okay, maybe put a little bit more in, but it's hot, careful. I put 2 teaspoons in. Tony Catchery, Creole, Tony Catchery, no salt, Creole Spice, that's what I use. It's hot, careful, don't over spice it. We also get, vegan Worcestershire sauce. This one here. I'm going to put a tablespoon in. Oh, it smells already. Woohoo! The garlic, I can smell for sure. I live in Gilroy, garlic capital of the world, so garlic is an item in almost everything I cook. They're saying Gilroy is the only city where you can marinate your steaks on the laundry line outside. Alright, look the color, you see the colors in the instapot? Yeah, I have to take it out just to show you. Alright, and I'm chopping my greens in. Those in. Put the rice in. Then put the rest of the broth in. So all in all, it's 4 cups of broth. Just to let you know. And we have a can of organic saltless diced tomatoes that goes in. And I have a can, like 2 cups of pinto beans washed and rinsed. Okay. Then I think I put a little bit more greens in. I can use a little bit more greens. What do you think? Just 2 leaves. This gives you the look again how I do it. So I fold the leaf. I cut the stem out. And then I cut it coarsely. Don't have to do it really small. Oh, put that on top. Yeah, that should be enough now. Let's see. Mix it a little. Oh God, that looks good. Spinach in there. Looks really good. I'll show you. Huh? So the rest is, I think we have all the spices in. Yeah, let me try. Hope it's not too hot. put a little more celery in. I like it hot. It's up to you here. If you don't like it too hot, put less in. I think I put another 3 teaspoons celery, Tony Catchery saltless. What I put in Creole Spice. Okay, doesn't that look like a cool Lent stew? I think so. That's it. And now we put the lid on. Here's the lid. We put the lid on. Oh, let's turn off the saute. So we turn it off. Then the vent should be on venting, not on steam, on venting. And then we put on slow cooking, and we go for 30 minutes slow cooking. Okay, 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes I see you again. All right, bye. And we are back. 30 minutes. Let's see. Here's my instapot. This was only slow cooking. I think that's the first time I slow cooked with my instapot, by the way. I don't think I ever slow cooked. The seed, oh my god, it looks nice. It looks perfect. Let me see if I can lift it up. See the colors? Oh my god. Let's put it on the plate. Oh, and here's my little secret ingredient. I put a little lime juice in it, but not before you slow cook afterwards, so that the lime juice is noticeable. This is the perfect meal for Lent. If you, like me, partied in Carnival, especially Fat Tuesday. We had a few margaritas and this was, you know, all the vegan junk food I ate when I reached my weight. It's just the way it is, you know, I celebrate it. And this is just the right vitamin bomb to clear my body. Look at this. Isn't this wonderful? It's really fast. It's done. 30 minutes slow cooking. That's not too bad. So I hope you like what I cooked. Try it. Oh yeah, speaking from trying. Good. For me, just perfect. So there was 3 good teaspoons Tony Catchery, the vegan Worcestershire, and I had put a 1/4 teaspoon salt in it. Yeah, I did that before I showed it to you, because my husband wanted a 1/4 teaspoon salt. When I closed the lid and took you off the video, we put a 1/4 teaspoon salt in it, but you don't have to if you don't want to. It's really good, and the lime juice just perfect. Okay, see you next week. I hope you have a good start of Lent and survived Carnival. And like the Cajuns say, laissez les bons temps roule, let the good times roll. Bye.